Have you ever wondered why we snore? It happens when air flow through the nose and mouth is partly blocked during sleep, causing nearby tissues to vibrate and make sound. The most common reason is relaxed throat muscles, which can narrow the airway. Other causes include nasal congestion, sleeping on your back, being overweight, enlarged tonsils, or a deviated septum. Alcohol before bed can make snoring worse by relaxing muscles even more. While often harmless, snoring can also signal sleep apnea, where breathing stops briefly. Simple changes like adjusting sleep position or using nasal strips can help.